subscribe button down below if you do enjoy this video, and also hit that notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you never miss when I upload a video if that's something that would be interesting to you. So in today's video, I'm going to be dyeing my hair black, okay? I don't know why, but I just kind of wanted something different. So things that I'm going to be using to dye my hair are gloves, because you want to protect your hands, because if not, then your hand's going to be black. And then a comb. I'm going to use this comb just to comb through my hair a little bit before I apply the color. And then the color, I've already got it mixed up. I haven't shaken, I should probably shake it up. But the colors in here, I'm using box dye that I got from Walmart just because we're just gonna see how this thing goes. So I'm gonna first start by just putting my gloves on. Oh, I need a towel to go around my neck. And I also have on a shirt that I don't really care too much about, because you wanna put on a shirt that you don't really care about, because if color gets on a shirt that you like, it's gonna be really hard to get it out. So just put on a shirt that you don't really care about, so if color gets on it, it doesn't really matter. Let me go grab a towel really quick though. So I'm just gonna be using this stuff. Let me take these on. I don't know why I put these gloves on. I still have some stuff to do before I start. I just got this towel here. It has like bleach stains and stuff on it. It's not really a, you know, a nice towel. So we're gonna be using that. And then I'm also gonna be using some clips. First thing, I'm just gonna go ahead and just section it off. I'm gonna start with this side. I'm gonna start at the ends and then work my way to the roots. Just combing through. I'm gonna put that side away, just like that. I look crazy, I know, but we're gonna go ahead and detangle the other side. And I just took my hair out of a protective style, so I'm losing a lot of hair, but this is like 2-3 weeks worth of hair loss, so don't be alarmed, y'all. My hair is not falling out. So again, starting at the roots, working my way. Starting at my ends, working my way to the roots. I'm just gonna section this side off. I'm gonna go ahead and apply a clip onto this top section here. And we're gonna start in the back and work our way to the front. Put the towel around my neck. I'm gonna put these gloves on. And let's get to applying this color, y'all. Let me go ahead and mix this up. I'm really just applying to make sure that all my hair is pretty much coated. Right now, then I'm gonna go back if I have any color left over and just apply it to my whole head just to make sure that it's thoroughly saturated. So pretty much, yeah, that's all I'm doing. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this section. I probably finished the whole back section. And when I get to the front, I'll come back just so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. So y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna put some music on and I'll be back. Okay guys, so now I'm on the front sections. I'm going to be doing the same exact thing. Applying the color, working it in, making sure my hair is thoroughly saturated. And I'm going to do that on this section and this section. So I'm just going to take a small piece. About that size, that's good enough. My hair isn't really that long, so. Just going to make sure this is detangled. I'm going to first just start by putting the color in my palm and then rubbing that through on the gloves and then just applying that directly onto my hair. Working that in. I didn't put any Vaseline or anything around my hairline or my ears or anything because I mean I care, but I could just wipe it off. It's not a big deal to me. I know these gloves are loud. Hopefully they're not coming up loud on you guys' end, so. I'm going to move to the next section. And I did forget to mention that my hair is dirty. Well, I'm coming from a protective style, so I haven't washed my hair at all before. I didn't wash my hair at all before I applied this color. Oh, this is really the lazy way to apply color. Lazy way at its finest. I got this big mark on my face. I look crazy. I know I look crazy. I'm all done applying the color. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what it's looking like. So here's the front, the side, here's the other side, here's the back. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this plastic bag. I'm gonna let this sit for about 45 minutes and I'll be back. All right guys, so this is how my hair turned out. It came out a little darker than what I thought. I mean, I don't know what I was thinking because I dyed it jet black, but it'll take me some getting used to. I like it. I'm gonna show you guys what my hair is looking like. I'm gonna give you guys a quick 360 so you guys can see. This is the side. This is the back. This is this side. I styled my hair and I just let it, I dried it with my diffuser a little bit and then I just let it air dry the rest of the way. And this is what it's looking like now. So I haven't stretched it or anything. So Yeah, let me know down below if you guys like my new look. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next upload. Bye.